Welcome back. In today's video, I wanted to talk about a new feature in Addigy called Return to Service. So what is Return to Service? Return to Service lets you wipe an iPhone, an iPad, or an Apple TV. And instead of needing re-enrolled after the fact or having to go through some of those initial setup steps that keep it from checking back in, you can get it to come right back into Addigy and enrolled so you can hand it to the next employee very easily. Let's walk through this. It is quite simple. You don't have to turn anything on or set anything up in Addigy. It's already all done. All you have to do is go to one of your devices and go to Device Commands and click Erase. And in here, there's a new Return to Service checkbox, and you're just going to check that. And then there are two options here. So you can select the Wi-Fi profile. We're going to do that. That makes it helpful because it's going to automatically reconnect to the Wi-Fi and really give it that hands-off approach. Then you can select the optional adding the MDM profile. So that is an optional section here. Basically, if the device is already going to be enrolled via automated deployment or ADE, you don't need to select it, as ADE will take over at that point and it will enroll it where ADE is set up to. But that being said, if it's just a regular supervised device, or there are some other caveats, like if you're using SSO or a passcode for enrollment, you'll want to select this MDM profile as to where the location of the device is going to go. And Addigy has a really nice support article detailing all of those different caveats and what errors happen when those caveats aren't respected. I will link to that in our description, but I would definitely recommend reading through that. Once you have those set as you like them, it's very simple. All you have to do is click Erase Device and the device will get wiped. We're going to switch over to my iPad camera here, and you can see the device then starts to wipe. It's going to activate the iPad. It's going to go out and get that MDM configuration. And this is not an automated enrolled device, so that is good. That's what we want it to be doing here, is going and getting that configuration from Addigy. And it takes it right back to the home screen. And if we go in, we can confirm in settings that it is enrolled in Addigy. And it's already connected to the Wi-Fi. And if we go back to our Addigy window here, you can see that that device is back online. So that's pretty much it. This feature, I think, can be really useful, especially if you're turning over a lot of devices or turning over devices that you don't have hands on. It just takes some of the extra steps out of it. If you have any questions about return to service and how to use it, or about Addigy or MDM in general, we'd love to help you answer those questions. I can be reached at Marshall_CIT on the Mac Admin Slack channel, Marshall@CranstonInc.com via email, or on our website, CranstonIT.com. Thanks so much for watching.